Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Bede. In this video, I'll show you 5 legit websites where you can make a minimum of $200 with transcription jobs. That is where you'll be required to listen to an audio or video file and then type out what you hear. It's that simple, and yes, they are available worldwide. So pay close attention in order not to miss any vital information. But before that, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by it. So with that said, let's dive in. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you 5 legit websites where you can make a minimum of $200 with transcription jobs. You know what it is? That is, you're given an audio file or a video file for you to listen to, and then you type out exactly what you hear. It's simple. You know, that's what transcription is. We have translation. Translation is whereby you translate from one language to another. Let's say from French to English, from Portuguese to English, from, you get what I mean, from any other language to another language. That's translation, but that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about transcription, transcribing, all right, whereby you listen to an audio file or a video file and then you just type out exactly, write out exactly what you hear, and that is it. So if you're good with that kind of stuff, I'm going to show you 5 websites, legit, confirmed website where you can make cool, you know, a minimum of $200 combined, that is combined money when you are on this 5 website. Okay, so let's start off right away. But before I get into it, you know what the deal is. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button right now, and then don't forget to turn the bell icon on so that you would be notified. You'll be one of the first few people to know when I upload new videos just like this, because what I do is go online. I do a lot of research online to get new opportunities on how you can make money, how you can make cool passive income, because we need passive income in this country to get by. You know how things are right now. So a lot of people don't have jobs, and a lot of people stay at home for the most part. All right, so while you're at home, while you're on your phone, there are opportunities out there. So what I do is I research, I come here, I show you, and then I hope that you can just put them in practice and make some money for yourself. It's not a get rich quick kind of thing. I keep saying it, so but you need to put some effort. All right, so let's start with the number 1. The number 1 is Transcriptionme. All right, Transcriptionme is the number 1 where you can actually go to sign up with them. You know, you can see the you see the login page, and you see the jobs page. So we're on the jobs page right now. So on Transcriptionme, you can make as much as, you know, when you scroll down, you can make as much as this right here, between $15 to $22 per audio hour. You can make up to $15 to $22 per audio hour. That's for an audio, like 1 hour audio, all right, that you're listening to. You can make as much as this, all right, on Transcriptionme. So that's it. All you need to really just get on them, get there, you know, click get started. You know, you can see right here, join the Transcriptionme professional crowd and start working on projects and making money. So it's a legit website, and you'll be able to set up the payment means it's mostly usually PayPal, and you can set up your PayPal, and they can pay you through Payoneer. All right, some of them pay you on PayPal, some of them on Payoneer. So if you don't know how to set up a PayPal account, you can let me know, put in the comment section. I can help you with that. I'll send you a tutorial to help you. If you don't know how to set up a Payoneer account, also put it in the comment section. I would help you, send you a guide on how to set up one. All right, and with that said, I'm going to do a video on how to set up Payoneer PayPal accounts in Nigeria for taking payments. But I recommend Payoneer because Payoneer is actually cool. You'll be able to set it up. It's a business to business kind of thing. So when businesses like this are paying you, so it means that you need to register a business name in Nigeria in order to get on Payoneer. All right, because it's a business to business kind of payment. All right, so that is the number 1. Transcriptionme is number 1. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description box, so go there, click it, and get started with Transcriptionme. All right, so number 2 is rev.com. all right, rev.com is number 2. It's a freelance place. All right, so with this you can make as much as, let's scroll down, for transcriptionists, listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, label speakers. So this is exactly what is required of you, and you can make as much as $0.30 to $1.10. That's $1.10 per audio or video minute. So that is per audio minute. You know, the other one was per audio hour. Now this is per audio minute. So you can imagine how much you can make for per audio hour. So you know how many 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So if you listen to a 60 minutes audio file, you can imagine exactly how much you're going to be making. So all you need to do is just come here and click on learn more in order to get started with them. All right, I'm going to leave the link in the description, of course, just like the first one, so you can instantly get started with Rev. All right, this is one of the platforms, one of the 5 legit platforms. I'm actually on this one. So you know, the purpose of this video is to show you the platforms, all right, not showing you my dashboard. So I can tell you, all you need to do is just click on learn more, and then you get started with Rev. All right, so let's move on to the third one. The third one is GoTranscript. Right, GoTranscript. I'm going to leave the link also in the description box, so go there, go click it, and get started with this. On GoTranscript, you can make as much as from $0.77 per minute. That is $0.77 per minute. So you can imagine in 60 minutes, that is for 1 hour, how much that can be. All right, so that is exactly how much you can make on GoTranscript. I'll leave the link. Like I said, there are other services they offer, like captions, foreign subtitles, translation, of course. These are all kinds of things, and these are the benefits: customer loyalty, 100% customer guarantee. So these are the kind of stuff. So how do you get started with this? You come here and just hold on a bit. This is actually for people who want it, not for people who want to do the work. Right, so let's look at how you can get started with this, because I'm not on this one, but people are making good money from it. All right, so all you need to do is contact them by going to go to contact us and send them an email. All right, and definitely they will get all right, so let's look at the work. When you go to transcription work, all right, this is not connected at the moment. All right, so let's move on to the next one, which is Fiverr. Fiverr.com is actually the next one. For Fiverr, what you need to do is sign up with Fiverr, and then you put in your transcription services there. So you're the one who's going to put your rates. So the rates that you make on Fiverr depends on you, just like every other person here. You can see I will transcribe and translate English, Ukrainian, Russian. Now this is saying I will transcribe audio in Russian or Ukrainian into text file. All right, so this is saying I will do legal transcription for court proceedings. I will transcribe 60 minutes audio or video transcriptions for $20. So everybody has their rate. You can see 55, starting from 55. This is starting from 20, so it's starting from 45. So this would depend on you. All you need to do is just sign up with Fiverr.com, and then you would create your own service, put your own price. All right, but then first thing you need to do is study what other people are doing with their stuff, the pricing, so that when you're getting started with it, people will be able to engage. You can get jobs easily, and then when you start getting jobs, you can now scale up. So all right, so there are so many of them. I will provide audio and video English transcription quickly. I will transcribe 40 minutes audio to text in 24 hours. You can see that. So we have several of them that can do transcription, and they are definitely getting jobs, because you can see their ratings already 5.0. so they are doing great jobs, and that's it. So you can have yours here as well, and then you start making money. All right, so that is the number 4. All right, if at this point you have to subscribe, please do so right now. Go and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos just like this one, showing you how to leverage the opportunities, the several opportunities online. All right, let's move on to the next final one. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is actually like it's a job portal. All right, so people come there to post stuff. People that need transcription services come there to post the jobs that they need. So all you need to do is just sign up with them, and then you start waiting for this job. So when they drop, you apply. So it's just like a regular job you apply to. So you see jobs like transcriber needed, transcription or data entry specialist, transcriber, you can see it, transcriber needed for a remote part-time position, high school diploma required, and need to be able to type 70, that's the speed. All right, basic computer skills, good grammar. This is Italian transcriber if you're good with that, French transcriber, German transcriber, Portuguese, Japanese. All right, so these are several transcription jobs you can find on this place, and when you see the one that you like, all you need to do is just click it, read up on the details, and then you apply to it. If you're accepted, if the person who posted it accepts you, they will give you the job and you'll be able to do it. So the rate is determined by the person who posted it, so not by you. Just like on Fiverr, you're the one who determines your rate. All right, like on GoTranscript, they've determined it already, because that's how much they're paying you. All right, so you need to just sign up with them, they give you the jobs when they come. All right, on Refcom, the same thing, you sign up with them, when the jobs come, they just give you the rates have been determined already. While on Transcribe.me, the same thing, you sign up with them, and then when they have transcription jobs, they will give you the job for you to do, and the rates have been determined. All right, so basically, guys, these are the 5 legit website where you can make a minimum, combine the minimum of $200. All right, with transcription jobs, as I've shown you now. All right, so I will leave all the links in the description so you can get started immediately. All right, don't dwell on this, because it's paying a lot of people, especially if you're the type who's at home, who have a lot of time in your hands. You can actually get on with this, sign up with them, and start making cool money for yourself, right? Because all you're doing is listening to audio or video, and then you're typing out exactly what you're listening. So I don't think that is actually hard. Just like a lot of people listen to music, as hard as some of the lyrics can be, they are able to write out the lyrics and they come out accurately, or maybe 90% accurate. So this is exactly the kind of job you should do, and start making passive income for yourself. All right, this is the prayer that I pray, because all of the time what we need in this country is to make passive income in different places. And when you're making legit passive income, you're cool, you're having some money in your pocket, and you're able to do the things that you love doing at the time that you want to do them. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you'd be notified when I upload the new helpful videos for your online business success. And don't forget to smash the like button, smash it, so that more people can get to know this video, can get to see this video, and the more they see it, the more it will go viral. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.